So next we have thiols. Thiols. May mga sulfur containing. So it is called thiols. So katandot mga example, nomenclature of thiols. Puro pareho gyapon. Ani mo SH is sa tawagon lang nga thiol, tapos ang remaining is ani langaran. So like this is ethane. So diri agin ethyl no, so diretso ya. Kay because that would be the parent. So magiging parent ya. Ethane thiol. Adiliwat, that would be a cyclohexane thiol. Adiliwat is um, mercapto. I think the mercapto is mercapto is kuan lang niya. Hiya iton substituent. So kung substituent hiya, you use the mercapto. So nakameta hiya, ortho meta para meta is one mga carbon diferensya. And then this CO2H ngayon benzene, we call it a benzoic acid. This one is an benzoic acid. So tapos sa kita carboxylic acid. But anyway, this is a benzoic acid. Tapos iniya is the substituent. So it is called nakameta nimo mercapto and then the benzoic. So mercapto benzoic acid. Sulfides. So adalaton sulfides. So sulfides liwat bagan ether. So ang aranan lahiya nga sulfide. Didiretso na nimo mga naka-attach sa iya. Usually a sulfide is sulfur tadarabot nga. Okay? So this one is a methyl, so dimethyl sulfide. This one is a phenyl, this one is a methyl, so methyl phenyl sulfide. Okay? This one is a methyl. This one is a cyclohexene. So substituent niya. So yan na, tatawagon niya as number 3 ko, no, hanimo cyclohexene. May dani mo naka-attach nga methyl tayo. So matayo liwat hiya kon substituent. Ang imo SH is mercapto kon substituent. Samantalang ang imo SLA is tayo. So yan na ini nga duha, that would be a methyl and then a tayo. Diba por pareho niya pangaran giyapan and before hini. That is an imo ether. So por pareho ra. So may mga similarity na ra pangaran. So nagiging ethoxylo tagtuya ini iya is tayo liwat. Methyl tayo. Ani mo kung oxygen ni that would be a methoxy. Pero kay SCH3 man niya, that would be a methyl tayo. Tapos naka-enclose layer and parenthesis kay pwede ka mag-number hini actually kung nilaba ini nga carbon chain, pwede mo ini-numberan kung ikapira nga number sulfur han imo dili nga other chain. Amo ito yung ipupunta nga parenthesis ready to ya for ato kaya trolling han imo alkane basta complicated na iya. Pwede mo iya enclose sa parenthesis or usually gina-enclose sa parenthesis. Okay? So that is sulfur metal tayo or tayo and sulfide and sulfide or mga sulfur containing. The sulfide ganyan mercap. Dato ko may example. Name the following compound. So kung naka-attach siya, again, that is a tayo. Kung sulfur laya, so this one is a tayo. So this one is a this is a butyl, pero adhe kaduha, so that is a sec-butyl. Sec-butyl, tayo. Your parent is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is a butane. So mabutang kahin tayo butane. Number 2, 2 tayo butane. Siguraduhin ko lang. Okay, so this one is a butane. Tapos sa number 2 niya, an iya thiol, SH is thiol. So that would be direct. That would be a 2 2 butane thiol. 2 butane thiol. Diretso yan imo parent as butane thiol pero ito nga naging thiol iya number 2. So mabutan ka number 2. 2 butane thiol. Ini magyapon 1 1 2 adi kita may start ha left kay nadamot sa nga so 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4. 4 an imo thiol. So magingaran nini 1 2 tas duduha tutulungayan sorry 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 2 2 6 226 trimethyl 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 heptane thiol. Okay? So 226 trimethyl 226 trimethyl heptane thiol. Heptane thiol because of the SH. 226 226 trimethyl we have to include the number ngayon, sorry. 226 trimethyl 4 heptane thiol. 4 heptane thiol because number 4 nimo SH. Okay? Letter C. Letter C is the SH is priority than the double bond. So meaning, adi kita man number 1. Making this a cyclopentene. Cyclopentene thiol. Mo na. Sumabot ang lang kita number because this cyclopentene, not pentane, cyclopentene, tapos babutangan tayo 1. So magiging 1 cyclopentene thiol. Amit yung aran. 1 is 1. 1 cyclo. Ngangaranan tapa ini nga double bond, sorry. Magiging 1 cyclo 1 cyclopen 1 cyclopen 2 in 1 cyclopen 2 in thiol. Yay. Korea, no? 1 cyclopen pwede ni bulagon. Unahon mo iton double bond. 2 cyclopentene 1 thiol. 2 cyclopentene 1 thiol. I think the name of that is 2 cyclopentene 1 thiol. Okay, next. So this one is a sulfide. So sulfide diya kay adiya is ethyl, adiya is isopropyl. So this one is isopropyl isopropyl. Iti mo sulfur kasi naka-attach dili carbon nga na carbon didi. So you have to sing iti mo SD da waray hydrogen. Ikita ninyo? Carbon usa tapos usa so upat adi nga carbon adi may duha ya tapos naka-attach siya nga carbon. So naging upat hiya meaning waray naka-attach nga hydrogen kan sulfur. So magiging sulfide ito ya. Adi is ethyl, adi is isopropyl. So ano mauna? Propyl or ethyl? So ethyl mauna. So may ngaran nini is ethyl isopropyl sulfide. Ethyl isopropyl sulfide for letter T. Okay? Letter E. So this one is a methane at thiol. Ano? Nay may tuyo. Nay kung data shift F12.